Have you ever wondered what makes something go viral or become an overnight sensation? Is it the product itself or the story behind it? Let me tell you a story. Back in 2007, two roommates in San Francisco were broke. Rent was due and they couldn't afford it. Most people would have called their parents or started looking for a second job. But these two decided to blow up an air mattress, offer people a night's stay in their apartment, and serve breakfast in the morning. They called it Airbnb breakfast. What sounded like a quirky, even desperate idea turned into something way bigger. Today we know it as Airbnb, a company worth billions, reshaping how the world thinks about travel. Why? Because these guys didn't just make something, they made something people loved. It wasn't about the tech or the app or the logo, it was about solving a real problem in a way that felt fresh, personal, and cool. That's the key. The magic formula making cool stuff isn't magic at all. It's three parts. First, solve a real problem. Second, make it delightful. And last one, care like crazy. It's not just about creating a cool product, it's about creating a story that people will love. It's about understanding what people need, creating an emotional connection, and building a community around your brand. And if you like this video, then subscribe for more amazing video like this.